lips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you tell me.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out another crochet tutorial. This one is from Lockbraids and I love, love, love their crochet hair. So today we have 3 packs. Each pack comes with 2 bundles. This texture is Afro Kinky Curly and it is in 20-inch. As you can see, it's the usual feather crochet. I did do a different braid pattern today. It's 3 braids going down on the side, 2 braids in the nape of my neck, and then braids going straight to the back. This was my first time using this braid pattern. I didn't record it, but I ended up really liking it, so I will record it next time so you guys can get a more in-depth tutorial of the braid pattern. So moving on to the install, I did install this crochet in the usual manner. I just put the crochet hook in my hair. I hooked the hair onto the crochet hook, looped it around twice, and secured it onto the braids. Now this hair does get very full once you fluff it out, so you don't want to overfill the hair. I ended up using 2 packs and left a whole pack to the side because again, this hair does swell and puff up as time goes on. Installing this hair was very easy. It gave me 0 problems. It was so quick and simple to install. I absolutely loved installing this hair. For the end, to blend in my parting space, I did cut the hair off of the crochet. I just separated it 2 or 3 times and used those short pieces to just blend in my parting space so that you couldn't see the knots. I just put little small pieces in and use those to blend. It did a great job. I only had to add about 4 or 5 pieces on either side of my parting spaces to just really blend out and make sure that you couldn't see any knots or loops in my crochet. I've seen a lot of different methods for blending in your crochet and making it look really seamless. This is the easiest method that I've found, and it's the fastest way for me to install my crochet and have it blend. So this is the final result. I love how the parting space looks. You can also use a small brush or comb to tease it out and make sure that it blends even better. So you see, I haven't done this side yet. You see it's a big difference from the side that I did add the pieces into than the side that I didn't. So I went ahead and added it into my side part as well. So just make sure wherever you want to part your hair, you just add these small pieces and it really does give you a seamless blend wherever you want your parting spaces to be. So now that everything's blended, I'm going to go ahead and smooth out my hair, condition it, and bring the curls to life and get them more defined. So I went in with my water spray bottle, sprayed down the hair. You want to make sure the hair gets really nice and wet. You want to use a leave-in conditioner. Here I use 2 different ones. I use my Kristen S leave-in and my Fenty leave-in. Both of those are amazing. I love them down. Grab your dimming brush and your mousse. I use Glee Made Style Defining Mousse. And just use my dimming brush to make my curls pop and the mousse to hold them in place. And there you have it, 1 piece down and the rest of your whole entire head to go. And it was a very daunting task. So what I ended up doing was getting in the shower, wetting my hair all the way down, because sitting there using that water bottle and trying to detangle that way was just going to be way too much. So highly suggest getting in the shower with this hair. So this is what I came back with. Use some more leave-in spray, use some more styling mousse, use my Denman brush, and define the curls. I also use my finger to finger coil the ends of my hair so that the ends of my hair will be nicely defined as well, and I'll show you how I did that. And after all of that, I used my Conair diffuser. It's from Amazon, to set my curls and dry them really quickly rather than letting them air dry. If you let them air dry, the curls do get larger and larger, and you lose a lot of your definition if you do not diffuse your curls. So I highly recommend investing in a diffuser brush, in a diffuser blow dryer, so that your curls will stay defined and stay pretty tame, as opposed to letting them air dry. And there we have it. This is pretty much the end result. Added some Glee Made edge control to style my baby hairs and did my makeup. Threw on this red dress from Amazon that I absolutely love. I'll leave links to everything I use for my makeup, hair, and my dress in the description box down below. But yeah, get into this final result. Yes, yes, yes. Loving this result. I love this texture. It is so natural looking. It is so full and thick and beautiful. It's giving black girl realness. It's giving Afro texture. And I absolutely love it. This hair is beautiful up, styled to the side in a ponytail with a scarf. So many different ways you can style this hair, and I highly, highly recommend it. Of course, Lockbraids is one of my favorites, and I highly, highly recommend you try them out. And I'll leave a link in the description box so you can absolutely do that. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe. We are almost at 100,000, so please subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.